Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and we click. Then this page of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.